The Internet is a vast, global network that connects millions of computers, devices, and servers, enabling the exchange of information, communication, and services across the world. It has become an essential part of modern life, transforming everything from how we work and learn to how we shop, communicate, and even entertain ourselves. From its humble beginnings as a military and academic tool in the 1960s, the Internet has grown into a ubiquitous force that shapes nearly every aspect of our daily lives. The basic structure of the Internet at its core, the Internet is a network of networks. It connects individual devices, such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and even smart home appliances, through a complex web of physical cables, wireless signals, and satellite links. The Internet works by using a system of protocols that govern how data is transmitted between these devices. The most important of these is the Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, TCP/IP, which ensures that data can be sent and received efficiently across different networks. When you connect to the Internet, your device is assigned a unique identifier called an IP address. This acts like a home address for your device, allowing it to communicate with other devices on the network. Your device uses this address to send and receive information from other servers or devices. A key component of the Internet structure is servers, which are powerful computers that store data and provide services like websites, emails, and files. Clients are the devices that request and access this data, such as your smartphone or laptop. The physical infrastructure that supports the Internet includes undersea cables, fiber optic lines, data centers, and satellite systems, all of which work together to transmit data across long distances. In addition to these physical components, Internet service providers, ISPs, act as intermediaries, offering Internet connectivity to individual users or organizations. How the Internet works: when you type a URL, web address, into your browser, such as www.google.com, your device sends a request to a DNS, domain name system, server, which translates the human-readable address into an IP address. This allows your device to find the server that hosts the website. The server then sends back the requested data, such as text, images, or videos, which is displayed in your browser. This process happens in a fraction of a second, making the Internet feel fast and seamless. The Internet also supports real-time communication. Services like email, instant messaging, and video conferencing have transformed how we interact with others. Through social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, people can share personal updates, photos, and opinions, while engaging with friends and communities across the globe. Uses and applications of the Internet. The Internet has become integral to nearly every aspect of modern life, offering a wide range of applications across different fields. Communication. Email, instant messaging, and video conferencing have revolutionized how we communicate. The Internet allows us to stay in touch with family, friends, and colleagues across the globe, often in real time. Social media platforms enable users to share ideas, news, and experiences with a global audience, while also providing a space for people to connect over shared interests. Information and learning. The Internet has become an unparalleled resource for accessing information. Search engines like Google provide answers to virtually any question, and websites like Wikipedia offer detailed explanations on a vast array of topics. The Internet has democratized education, allowing people to access online courses, research materials, and tutorials on any subject. Universities and schools have also integrated digital learning platforms, making it easier for students to learn remotely. Entertainment. The Internet has transformed the entertainment industry. Streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify offer on-demand access to movies, TV shows, music, and videos. Online gaming, social media platforms, and virtual reality have opened up new forms of interactive entertainment. The Internet has also changed how we consume news, with online publications, blogs, and podcasts providing alternative media outlets. Commerce and business. E-commerce has exploded due to the Internet. Online platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba allow consumers to shop from the comfort of their homes, and businesses can reach global markets more easily. The rise of digital marketing and advertising has also created new opportunities for businesses to promote their products and services. Moreover, the internet has paved the way for the gig economy, where freelancers and independent workers can find job opportunities through online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Healthcare. The internet has transformed healthcare by enabling telemedicine, allowing patients to consult with doctors remotely. Online health resources provide valuable information about conditions, treatments, and wellness, while wearable devices and apps help individuals monitor their health in real time. Challenges and risks of the internet. While the internet has brought countless benefits, it also presents various challenges. Cybersecurity is a growing concern, with risks like data breaches, identity theft, and hacking becoming more common. As we store more personal information online, protecting that data from malicious actors has become increasingly important. Another issue is the spread of misinformation. The internet, particularly social media, can quickly amplify false or misleading information, creating confusion and mistrust. Fake news, conspiracy theories, and harmful content can spread rapidly, making it difficult to separate fact from fiction. Finally, there is the issue of the digital divide. While the internet has become widely accessible in many parts of the world, there are still large populations without reliable access, especially in rural or low-income areas. This creates inequality in education, employment, and economic opportunities. Conclusion: the internet is a transformative tool that has fundamentally changed the way we live, work, and interact with one another. It connects the world, enabling global communication, information exchange, and commerce. However, as we continue to rely on the internet in nearly every aspect of life, it is essential to address its challenges, such as cybersecurity and misinformation, while ensuring that it remains accessible to all. The internet is a powerful force for innovation, and its continued evolution will shape the future of our connected world.